Today, oh god, it is the Minecraft Master, and we're gonna be playing some survival with my friend. If you haven't seen the what's it called? What's it called? Bike jumping with my friend. That's what it's called. Okay, that I was with him too.
Yeah.
That was actually recently, like today.
Yeah.
So, look at these trees. Actually, I'm gonna. So tiny. Oh my god.
I don't usually play on computers.
Yeah,
So.
I don't usually play
Yeah.
too. I mean, it's not that.
I don't know the controls really, so.
Yeah, I can teach you. That's why it's gonna be interesting, this video.
Yeah. Let's see how well I can do. What are you trying to make?
Anyway, not so amazing.
Me neither.
Everything, I don't know. It looks more tiny than usual.
Yeah.
Like all the stuff.
I don't play on computers, so I don't know the usual, so. I mean, I've seen people play on computers, but like, other than that, I don't know.
Yeah. Here we go. Let's take my crafting table. It's fun. It's a good place for a house. Oh, probably.
Those planes, yeah.
Yeah. We could build into the map. Yeah, I kind of want to build it into the map.
Let's build like a cave
Yeah.
house. Yeah.
I like
Let's
this.
start there. There's a hole there already. No, left.
No. Let's just dig in. Because that... Well, it's not do Flying Island. But,
Let's do Flying Island.
I mean, there's a Flying Island. Now,
No, I'm talking about that cave. It's right there.
let's lose that. Let's use it. I guess we could have a... And there's also a cave here.
Yeah.
Let's have this one.
This is more of a mining cave though, because it feels a lot deeper.
Well-
Than the mountain cave.
Well, let's just, like,
Let's just check it out.
Let's dig into, like,
The cave.
the side of the cave.
And we'll see.
And we can also
Let's just
use
check out the cave and see.
Yeah,
what's in
check it out.
there. See how deep it goes.
Yeah, that's gonna be a really good mining cave. So
This is a good house.
yeah, I'll put like the house.
See,
Oh,
because it ends back here.
yeah. So
This is a pretty good house.
So I guess I'll have to place this down. Get some coal.
Soda.
Did you actually just say soda?
No, I said it's so dark. Darn.
Oh. Hey, what's going on? I really need a better intro over there. Today with Minecraft Master.
Yeah, you need a better intro.
It's like, hey, what's going on? I mean, that's good. Well, I just need to...
We should do a challenge. Who's gonna build a better house?
Hey, what's going on? You're gonna lose. Yeah, we'll do that.
We're doing it.
We'll do it. I'm building my house. How is it? Something like...
I could just like add a block to your house, and then it's gonna be a better house. It's like I can.
What is the torch? I'm pretty sure it's
Oh my
like...
god, I know how to build a torch.
What? Oh, it's like that.
Oh my god, yes. You don't have any sticks. Okay, there's two. We need as many torches as possible.
Well, I can get more, but...
What are you doing? What are you trying to build?
More torches. Oh god. I'm gonna win this.
No, you're not.
Are you sure?
No, yes, I'm sure. You're gonna lose. You know that,
I
right?
don't know.
There's a lot of coal.
Yeah. We'll probably get on the torches to show. Wait. Wait, I need to get something.
What?
Hey, what's going on?
Why do you keep on staying?
This is gonna be my little area.
Why did I mention doing this contest?
Yeah, we don't have to. We don't have to. We don't have to. Hey, we don't have to. We don't have to. Let's see. Okay.
Fist bump. What's this?
Oh my god. Hey, what's going on? I don't like that.
Then why do you keep on saying it? If you
Well,
don't
because
like
I
it.
got it kind of like this. Hey guys, so you'll get used to this.
What?
Hey, what's going on? That's gonna be
What's that?
oh I know. Lows.
Let's go deeper. Like mobs might actually spawn in here.
What do you think? Okay, so this is a good mine to live in.
That's a good mine.
So I'm gonna,
That back area is a good mine, and like over here's a good house area.
yeah. So I guess I think
I will be swapping off. I'm actually gonna play soon.
oh,
Oh, there's there's creepers. Run! Run!
Hey,
Oh, I guess.
I have to get in water so I don't. Come to me, creeper. You know I'm gonna get on land for now.
What if there's just like
Oh, it's not following me. Dang!
it's gonna stay in your house now until you lead it out or until it blows up. It's gonna be kind of funny if it blows up. You should really get a pad for that.
Hey, what's going on?
Wait, can you use this too or no?
Yeah, you can use that too.
I'd use that. I'd use that because
No, the mouse is
the
so
mouse
much
is here.
easier.
It is.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes. Dang! Thank you, creeper.
Okay, you understand. You're at 3 hearts now.
Yeah, I need food. Hey, what's going on? I need food. Oh my god.
I think there's a sheep like right over there, so you should probably kill that sheep.
Hey, what's going on, buddy?
You should probably make a sword too.
Not now. I need to build a house.
Hey, I know still, because there might still be more like mobs in the cave. They live and stuff.
I'll probably put some torches. I'll have to kill these.
I know. Oh, nice. There's
Dang.
iron right in
Yes,
front
I
of you.
know. That's why I went down. Oh, good. I'm.
At least you know where to go.
Yeah. It's just like right here. Wait, is it?
No, not there. So you have to find those horses again.
Okay, I'm pretty sure it's right here.
It's right here.
Hey, what's going on, bro?
Yeah, it's down. No, not there. Not there. Not there. Oh, good as that.
Well, good.
Get the iron first.
Yeah. But
Where-
I
you have
need
to
to
get
get.
stone.
Yeah.
Wait. Find the iron.
Hey, what's going on, bro?
Oh, there's a lot of iron actually.
This is a good mine, though.
That's a good iron here.
Actually, no, it's not. It's just that. It's just like that.
And we're still stone.
Hey, let's.
Dude, kill the horses
Oh, yeah.
for leather. Pumpkin. The pumpkin.
I need food.
No, you don't, because you remember you died.
Oh yeah.
Don't go in there.
This is
You can't get out.
this is a really good mining
You can't get out.
place. Well, I can just. I'm so stupid.
There's iron. You don't want to build out with iron. Oh, by the way, you should probably mine that iron that's up there.
Yeah. I'm just getting blocks to get there.
You do know you have wood.
Yeah, well, that's good for using for other stuff. Like, you know. Hey, what's going on? Hey, what's going on?
Hey, when can I play?
What about? Yeah, you want to get a house in what house do you want to use?
What do you mean?
Like what mine? Because we could.
Nice. Bravo. You're so good at this game.
Yeah, I know.
God,
Who's iron?
please don't twist some torches.
Fine. Hey, what's going on, bro?
Yeah. You gotta make sure no mobs kill you.
Okay, let's go back up. Isn't the best place in the world. I need. Oh god. Okay.
What is this?
Something.
What is this rainbow?
Why do they have to know?
What is
I
this?
just went backwards into the
Nice.
woods.
Oh my god, you're so good at skating.
Look at, what, when you get on, it's gonna be pretty dang annoying.
Why?
Because you suck. You're gonna suck.
Nice.
Hey, what's going on, boys?
I don't play on computer.
Um,
Oh, good. That's great. It's nighttime.
what, yeah. Well, it has to be nighttime eventually. I don't know. Hey, bro, wait.
I can't turn up the brightness.
Oh, wait.
Brightness.
No.
So loud.
Slash day. Does this work?
My god. I know how to do it here.
Is it like slash daylight?
No. Let me do it.
Hey, what's going on, boy?
I know. Dude, I know what it is.
Is it like, hey, what's going on, boy?
No, it's slash 0. It's slash 5. Do you want to do it? To make
No.
a day? Are you sure?
Fine.
Slash
Yes.
0 5 5 0 0 0 0. Enter. Oh wait, no, there's only 3 zeros.
Slash 5-1.
Yeah. I don't know.
It should be slash daylight or day. But,
I know that if you go from another Minecraft YouTuber, Pat and Jen. I always watch them.
You watch them?
Sometimes, and
Sometimes.
I see them.
I do too sometimes.
I see that they do like 5 0 0 0 something.
But they're like,
Change. Oh my god. It's not working. It's not even a hit. You're gonna die. 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 You're dead.
I hate the jumps.
It's my turn.
I hate the jumps. Yeah, go get my stuff, bro.
Oh, why am I getting your stuff?
Well, because we need that stuff.
How do you move?
Use the mouse.
Right here.
To jump,
No, I don't
to
know.
forward is W.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then jump is
Jump is,
space.
no, well, do you want it as space? I put it as middle click. I think it's,
Oh, it's middle click. Okay. Okay, thanks.
it normally it's at space, but I changed it because I'm sad. Just like
Okay, let's go.
You should get that stuff.
That's
That's a lot of iron.
I know, but
it's
where
the other
did
way.
you die?
It's the other way.
This way?
Yeah.
Oh,
Across
it's
the
on this
river.
mountain. No, it's on this mountain. Should I go towards the creeper?
Yeah. And kill
Wait.
it. Yeah. Somehow you didn't even get anything. Right.
Quick stuff. Where?
That's the easiest thing to do. Hey, just go down.
Fine.
Jump to the... That just doesn't help.
I know.
You have to hold middle click.
Well,
Say, guys. So,
yeah, and guys, I don't know how.
hey, but we kind of running out of time. Wait. Guys, we'll have to see you in part 2. He'll keep on going. And good. Well, bye.